In this video I'm going to show you how to share your Google Photos link to others people. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up Google Photos application, and now there first you have to select a photo and open it up. Next, tap there at Share icon, then hit at Share to. It gives you that options. You can scroll down for a bit and there tap at Create Link. Next, tap at Create Link again, and there will create a link on that image, and that link has been copied to your clipboard now, so you can hop out of here and you can open up some messenger, let it be WhatsApp, and then you can open up some conversation, tap on text box and then tap again to bring up paste feature, then hit paste and then hit on send to share this photo to that specific person. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.